Kaizen Institute, we've identified 7 paradoxes that challenge conventional management thinking and unlock the path to a true Kaizen culture. Let's take a closer look at the 5th paradox. Kaizen is more than operations. For decades, Kaizen has been applied in factories. It was born at Toyota, closely linked to concepts like lean manufacturing, waste elimination, and continuous improvement on production lines. Because it worked so well in production, many concluded Kaizen is only useful in operations. The belief stuck. Kaizen doesn't apply to commercial, creative, or transactional areas. Outside of manufacturing, it's seen as too rigid, too structured, too operational. But this belief is holding organizations back. Because markets are changing, customer expectations are evolving, and the biggest opportunities for improvement are also outside the production floor. When Kaizen is limited to operations, customer value suffers, silos remain, and cross-functional collaboration fails to take root. Innovation slows, growth stagnates. Now consider a new belief. Kaizen is a universal management system. It can be applied across all sectors and functions, from sales and marketing to finance, HR, innovation, and customer service. The Kaizen culture model adapts its systems and tools to fit the needs of each team. It's not about forcing operational tools into creative spaces. It's about using continuous improvement to unlock customer value everywhere. Real companies have embraced this shift. Kaizen has helped eliminate low-value tasks, allowing teams to redirect their time and energy toward creative problem-solving, strategic thinking, and deeper customer engagement. Results like these prove Kaizen isn't just for improving production. Kaizen improves processes, people, collaboration, and value creation across the entire business. Ask yourself, are we limiting Kaizen to operations, or are we unlocking its full potential across the business? Want to explore the complete set of Kaizen culture paradoxes that transform organizations? Click the link to discover the book, The Kaizen Culture Paradox: The Smartest Way to Run a Business.